Hey you, my name is Dominic and welcome back to my channel. Today we are flying from New York City to the beautiful city of Medellin. And this vlog is all about food, and more glorious food. And when I say food, I mean the best of fresh, tasty Colombian food, not the sad ones you see here. An easy 5.5 hours later, we are here. That's old. That's old. And that's the valley.
Yeah, these houses, I think maybe 40 years ago.
Uh-huh.
This is more new.
Yeah, they look quite modern. Yeah. But this is a nice area, yeah? I can't wait to show you more of this beautiful city and my next vlog. For now, let's focus on food. The cute hotel I am staying offers a good selection of tropical fruit. This is my first typical Colombia breakfast. I love the whole combination, although it is not my favorite. Here comes my absolutely favorite Colombian restaurant in Medellin. Today we are here for lunch, and its lunch menus are so much better than the dinner menu, although you do get live performances at night. This amazing place is called La Matraca. As you can see, it is huge inside the restaurant. Obviously, they have outdoor space also. Again, their lunch menus are different from the dinner menus. Also, I believe they have the best chicharrón in Medellin. Usually I am not a pork person, but this place changed me fundamentally. I am such a big fan of chicharrón now. Is that potato?
This is corn.
What?
Corn filled with potato.
Fish.
Corn and potato and meat. Potato and meat. Corona y en la 93. Pues que era ahí directamente. Y eso que no es barato, que la misma no.
Lo combine y ya usted lo puede usar. Con gusto.
That's a lot of food. I'm not sure I can finish it.
And you said that it was going to be tiny. I don't think it's tiny.
I ordered this innocent burger, didn't realize how huge it is. I am having this by myself for lunch. This is what the restaurant looks like at night with people performing at the stage over there. Honestly, I can eat every single dish of its menus. The food is always fresh, tasty, and reasonably priced. Another day and another dollar. At least the weather is excellent. It's around 25 degrees. My number one culture shock of the city is there is no traffic lights, or very little of it. Today's breakfast and also my favorite. I mean, this dish is everything. You have the egg, you have the avocado, you have chicharron, you have chorizo, and obviously you have the rice and beans. I know it is quite meaty dish. I still would like to have this every morning. It also reminds me of having noodle soups for breakfast in Asia. Tonight we are going to a super fun bowling place for dinner and games. Just like its culture, Colombians bring drama to everything, to the drinks, to the food. Fire is not that strong. And also they are mad about Christmas. Apparently they start celebrating back in September. Drama. Highly recommend this place. The drinks are good, the food is yummy, and also the entertainment is on point. Medellin, it's a huge valley, so there's a lot of uphills when you're traveling. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are checking out one of the most popular Argentinian place in the neighborhood. Well, it was small, wasn't it? The Colombian one.
Yeah.
So, what's what?
Carne.
Beer,
Meat and chicken. These ones are chicken.
Oh, chicken. Ah, okay.
Capresa.
caprese.
Capresa, ese tal.
¿Ven?
Steak.
Ven, se lo llevaron.
¿Le falta?
Ah, se me perdió el pan, sí soy yo. Yo me estoy comiendo esto con la mano. Gracias.
Divino.
This is the lunch time. As you can see, it is pretty busy, so make sure you book in advance. What is this? What is that?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. Filet mignon as well.
What is that?
Tenderloin. Tenderloin. No sé cómo se la hacemos. Uy, esa carne es
I am on my way to grab a quick lunch. We need to open it, open it, open it. Ah, okay. What did we? I love the food here. It's so good. What's that? You start. Don't wait for me.
No te quedes sin bailar lo que hay.
As you can see, Medellin is such a lovely city. Please look out for Medellin Vlog Part 2 and Part 3 for more amazing adventures. For now, thanks for watching. Please look after yourself wherever you are. And don't forget to call your mom. I will see you at my next video. Bye-bye.